Shaira again want to buy vape. So you like this vape, Shaira?
Yes.
Anti-stress for you?
Ngayon kayo na hawakan niya.
That's why you choose this. Strawberry you like?
Because this one for 200 pesos, 550, but the paper here is full of there. I don't like this.
Okay.
And it's sweet.
Sweet, you want sweet?
Yes. That's why I choose this.
Okay.